Hey guys, I am back today with another Valentine's snack idea. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute heart-shaped flatbread pizzas. These are cute, fun, simple to make, and everyone will enjoy them. So first we're going to start by cutting our crust of choice into a heart shape. You can use whatever type of pizza crust you have. I have been enjoying these artisan flatbread pizza crust. I like the way that they cook up. So I am going to take them and cut them into heart shapes. You want to press that cookie cutter deep down into the bread. That way you get that nice crisp line. After you have got your crust cut out, you are just going to top them with whatever toppings that you would like. Create whatever kind of pizza you want. If you're serving multiple people, then you can do multiple different type of flavors. As you can see, I am doing a spinach and feta cheese flatbread. I'll link a card to the cream spinach recipe, and then after I get my feta cheese on there, I'm going to pop them in the oven. Cook them to your preference. I like a little crispy crust on mine, so you can see I got my crust nice and golden brown. And that is it, you guys. Thanks for watching.